Recurring Profit Machine review, demo, and $3,375 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Recurring Profit Machine review and demo. Now, as always, I have a huge bonus. This one is worth well over $3,000, but first of all, let me tell you what this is and how you can actually make money with this, okay? So this is a brand new product released by Glenn Kosky. Glenn is known for his amazing software products, especially the ones that are fully done for you, okay? So this is a done for you funnel builder, which includes a bunch of different pages inside, offers inside, and even social media integration, which means that you don't need anything else apart of this product to, first of all, obviously start making sales as an affiliate, but also making high ticket sales and building your social media following at the same time, okay? So this is just a huge, massive done for you system, and let's jump into it and let me show you exactly what it does, okay? So, and even before we are going to jump into the sales page, I just wanted to show you my recurring income, okay? It's not a lot because I'm not really focused on promoting recurring income products, but last month I made $284, and this is something I didn't have to really focus on. This is something I made I made the sale once, and this is just money that comes in every single month from it, okay? So $284 every single month on something that I don't even have to think about. And Recurring Profit Machine is focused on these recurring income streams, okay? So instead of making a sale as an affiliate once and then having to focus on that next sale and the next sale, you make the sale once and you're getting paid every single month, okay? So this is just a little bit of my own income proof. As you can see, it's not a lot, but again, I'm not really focused on promoting this recurring income offers. But with that being said, let's check out Recurring Profit Machine. So as you can see, the sales page will say, warning, this has nothing to do with creating videos, paid traffic, or email marketing. Recurring Profit Machine, newbie friendly app, automates recurring, passive, and high ticket profits under one platform while building your list and social following at the same time. So again, this is 100% done for you custom website, and it generates $1,000 per day. Obviously, you can go through the whole sales page in your own time. So I just wanted to show you some key points, okay? So obviously, Glenn has some massive proof behind it. So as you can see, he's promoting ClickFunnels, and he made $4,000 just from promoting a recurring income offer like ClickFunnels. As you can see, he has a bunch of ClickBank offers and a bunch of additional ones. So obviously this is all about recurring income and passive income, okay? So obviously these guys have some testimonials. Scrolling down here, and again, Recurring Profit Machine, that's the name of this done for you system and software. They are listing here what you're getting. I'm going to show you exactly what it is in the members area. Now here is a little proof video and demo from Glenn, and I'm going to have the same video both on my YouTube channel and my blog, okay? So I'm going to show you a little demo right here inside this video, but I'm going to have a full demo uploaded separately, so both on my YouTube channel and my blog. Scrolling down here, so again, some more testimonials. They're listing again what you are actually getting with this. These guys will give you some bonuses, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee, and obviously for the pro version, that's the early bird price. So this is $17.97. Keep in mind, this is the early bird price, okay? We're gonna talk about pricing in the end of this video, a little FAQ right here. That's essentially it. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time. Let me show you the dashboard and the inside of the members area right now, okay? So first of all, the dashboard is right here. You have the welcome video, then you can edit my profile. So obviously if you want to change your password or do anything like this, or upgrade your membership, you can do from inside here as well. Then we have the done for you funnels. Now this is where it gets exciting, because as you can see, all of these pages are done for you. So we got review pages, we got social pages, we got webinar pages, and we have the download pages. So let me just show you an example of how this looks. So as you can see, you can just click right here to create a recurring affiliate funnel, and let me show you the review page first, okay? So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, obviously you can review products and just add bonuses to your reviews, and that's how you're making money as an affiliate. So this is actually exactly what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, an amazing looking page. You can add your bio, or you can add your logo, you can customize it, or you can just use it as is. Okay, so this is how the review page looks like. We have a social page. So this is how this looks like. So as you can see, we got the webinar loading, we have the congratulations, and again, you can add your logo, you can add your bio and all the other stuff. We have the webinar page URL. As you can see, again, this will be the webinar replay, same bio, you know, we got all the buttons. So if someone will decide to buy something through your link after watching the webinar, everything is right here on this page. And then we have the download page URL. And as you can see, we just have the thank you page, and this is customizable as well. So this is only one of the kind of pages that you can do. Okay, so this is just one example. Obviously, as you can see, we have done for you 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you can also customize it all. So you can use these done for you pages as is, or you can just customize it all to your liking. Now, that's only the done for you funnels part, because we also have affiliate info, and as you can see, we have all of the recurring income offers listed right here. So you don't have to Google anything, you can just access all of it from within the software. So we have HostGator, we have Aweber, ClickFunnels, ClickMagick, Evernote, Proof, Kinsta, SEMrush, Shopify, TripAdvisor, Buzzsprout. I don't even know what it is, but I guess it's another recurring income offer you can promote. Teachable, IPVanish, Thrive, Themes, Jive, Chat, Design Pickle, National Processing, ChatChit, Chimp, and Udemy. So these are the main ones. You know, not only in the Make Money Online niche, because like Aweber, you know, can be used by anyone. So autoresponders and anything when it comes to hosting or just services that people pay monthly for is something that you can promote and make recurring income this way. Okay, so everything is right here inside the members area. Then we have the social buttons. As you can see, you can create these social buttons right here. That's for social media, and again, I'm not going to be showing the whole process to you right now, but I'm going to have a full demo showing you the whole process. Okay, so that's social buttons. We also have banner ads. So again, you can create banner ads for social media or for forums or for anywhere else, for blogs as well. Then we have the review builder. So obviously you can build your review pages from scratch if you want to. And then all of these additional ones are OTOs that we will talk about in a second. But in a nutshell, we have the unlimited version, auto traffic flow, bonus builder app, and conversion tools, and also resellers. Okay, now on top of all this, you're getting video training. So obviously these guys will not leave you hanging, and all the training on how to use the software and also how to make money with it is included. So as you can see, we have the overview, your profile, your links, social buttons, your ads, traffic number 1, 2, and 3, and then some bonus content, and you can actually subscribe to their YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. As you can see, you're getting tons of stuff. 97% of it is done for you. All you have to do is just maybe add your logo if you want to, add your bio, and add your affiliate link. Okay, everything else is done for you. And the cool thing that I really like about it is that it focuses on high ticket commissions. Okay, so this is not about $5, $10, $25 sales. It's about going after this big sales, $500, $1,000. So even one sale will make a difference in your life this way. Okay, so again, this is the inside of the members area. I showed you all of the pages, and right now let's check out the pricing and all of the one-time offers you can expect after picking it up. Okay, so as I already showed you, the early bird pricing will be $17.97. Okay, so super low price, under $20 for all of these done for you resources and the software. But keep in mind, this is the early bird price. After the initial 6 hours when it goes live, the price will be going up by $2, so that will be $17.97, and then on day 2 $29.97. Okay, so if you want to pick it up for the lowest price possible, make sure to show up on the 12th of January at 9 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. it will be $17.95. After that, the price will be going live. Now, After you'll pick it up, you will be presented with a few one-time offers, and as you can see, the number one-time offer is the unlimited version. First of all, I'm going to just tell you about the pricing, and then we're going to jump into each and every single one of these OTOs. So unlimited version, OTO number 1, $67. Done for you, that's $97. OTO number 2. OTO number 3, we get the auto traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, we get conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, we get bonus page builder, $67, and the last OTO is license rights. That's OTO number 6 for $197. Now, right here on my blog, I have a full written review, and this will include the funnel. So let's go through all of this right now. OTO number 1, as you can see, the unlimited version will unlock all of the features. So the main version has a few limitations when it comes to creating these campaigns and pages, and you're actually removing all of these. So this is the unlimited version, and this is for massive action takers if you want to really scale up your results and see massive success with this. Okay, so you'll be fine with the main version alone if you want to see how it works and take some action, but if you want to take massive action, that's unlimited version, OTO number 1, $97. Now we have OTO number 2, which is done for you, and additional features, $97 as well. So in this upgrade, you are getting a big set of proven to convert done for you marketing materials. So this has been tested and proven to work. So you can just start sending visitors to these without hesitation. So again, a huge done for you package. OTO number 2, $97. OTO number 3 is automated traffic flow, $97. So this upgrade will ensure that you will get plenty of high quality traffic to your offers, to your pages, and to your affiliate landing pages without any Facebook ads, email marketing, or Google traffic. Okay, so this one powerful upgrade will eliminate your need to invest in traffic. That's $97. OTO number 3. OTO number 4, we got conversion boosting tools, $67. These are additional tools, and as you can see, we have some additional super powerful tools like the conversion booster, like hello bars, like pop-up bars, like additional banners and exit pop-ups. Okay, so this will just make this so much more powerful. Conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, we got $67 as well. Bonus page builder, so you can build all of these pages that I just showed you. So download pages, review pages, webinar replay pages. But if you want to build bonus pages as well, that's this upgrade, $67. And obviously with bonus pages, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can make a lot of additional income. So OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67, and the last OTO license rights, $197. Essentially, you can just sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on both the main product and all of the products in the funnel. So that's $197, essentially a done for you business. So OTOs are always optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier, maybe with the unlimited version or the done for you stuff or the conversion boosting tools, then by all means you can think about picking one of these up. Now, as I mentioned, I have some exclusive bonuses worth well over $3,000. So let me tell you exactly what this is right now. And again, Recurring Profit Machine will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on January the 12th. So if you'll just decide to pick it up from my link, I'm going to give you all of these bonuses for free. Okay, so to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog, or click on the first link in the description if you are watching on YouTube. So first of all, I'm going to give you a custom bonus I made especially for this promotion. So this is my custom bonus to recurring profit income made by myself. You cannot buy it, you cannot get it anywhere else, but as a part of this bonus package, now I'm going to give you some additional software products. You're going to get Affiliate Warrior, you're going to get Affiliate Promo Machine, you're going to get Extreme Affiliate Page. So these are free software products you're getting from me, and I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to my own products, free of my own products, Instavid, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. Okay, so that resellers bundle right here alone is worth $500. Okay, then we have Affiliate Traffic Lab. That's another exclusive software bonus for you. Then we have 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so I normally sell these as an OTO to my own products, but you're getting it for free, done for you campaigns. Okay, Now I have a bunch of W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses for you. $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, 2000 CPA traffic jacker. You're also going to get instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video viral click, WP affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, and 100 e-course publishing tips, and also speedy content publishing tips and slide share tips videos. Now I'm not done, because you're also going to get 9 additional plugins and software: affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true tags, I ask, popbox, sales bar, and shortcode call to action. Now that's a total of $1,875 worth of bonuses, but you're also gonna get my mega bonus on top of it. And my mega bonus is worth $1,500, and it is 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. Okay, so this will bring this up to a total of $3,375. Now again, all you have to do to pick it up from my link is just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or the first link in the description from YouTube. And as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check all of this out and read through it as well as watching this review video. So just to sum up this recurring profit machine review, this is a cloud-based point-and-click software. It instantly provides you with done-for-you free page website. Then it's done-for-you professional. The website is optimized for recurring and passive income, as well as high-ticket commissions. You're gonna get multiple income streams. You're pre-approved to profit from 18 recurring services and high-ticket offers. Okay. That's free viral traffic, hosting included, zero overhead cost. It's set and forget, obviously, and you can customize all of this if you want to, or just use it as is. Completely beginner friendly, no tech skills, nothing to install, step-by-step instructions, and this is again a 100% cloud-based app. So guys, I really love this product, especially because it's all done for you, it's recurring, and it is also focusing on the high ticket items. So again, if you want to get all of my bonuses I mentioned in this video, pick it up from my link, and it will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on January the 12th. And again, if you wanted to grab it for just $17.97, that's the early bird for the first 6 hours. And let me show it to you how to claim my bonus after picking it up through my link. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So just click on your icon in the top right corner right here, go to purchase history, and find recurring profit machine. If you'll decide to pick it up from my link. Okay, so then just click on your download, and below the download button you should see another button saying bonus from us. Okay, so you should see it if you decided to pick it up from my link. If you didn't, you will not see this button and you will not get the bonuses, and the bonuses are delivered automatically, so you don't have to send me any emails or any receipts, anything of it. So if you will pick it up from my link, you will get it delivered to you automatically. So guys, I really love this product. I hope you're gonna grab it with the early bird discount, a super silly low price, one-time price, and start getting these recurring and high ticket commissions. If you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.